Hey YouTube, Garage Boys here, back at it again. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to remove your serpentine belt on a 2006 Honda CR-V. Very easy process. I'm also going to show you a diagram of the layout of the belt. But enough talk, here we go. Easiest and fastest way to do the power steering pump reservoir, just pick it up, take it out of that spot. You can move it in any location you want, but I found out that this spot right there, just underneath, is the best way. And then if you come down here, you'll see the this belt tensioner, which is right there. It's a size 14, so right there's a size 14. I'm just gonna go get my my wrench, just put it in here. Let me see, there we go, just like that. I'm doing this with one hand, so imagine how easier it is for you guys. And then I'm just gonna get another one, bring it here. Oh wait, hold on, never mind, I guess I need both of my hands. So I'm just gonna get this one, put it in there, come in, get a second one, put it in just like that, and then pull towards me. And you can see how the belt is now loose. Just make sure you don't catch your fingers in it. But now with this, use your other hand and take off the belt. And that's how you do the serpentine belt on these trucks. Now let me show you guys a diagram of the belt so you can know how to put it back on. And also I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can buy the belt. If you don't want to drive somewhere and buy it, you can just buy it online on Amazon and they'll ship it to you for free. So hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.